The world needs makers, those who make things happen. But who is a maker? What are their qualities? Why do they succeed? And what's the difference between a maker and a taker? First, makers take initiative. They don't just sit around waiting for directions. They don't settle for the status quo. They're proactive and have a growth mindset. Second, they create value. They find what people need and try to add value in their lives. It's not about personal benefits. It's about creating a change and making things that people need. Third, makers are fantastic at building trust and collaboration. They don't see people as transactions or competitions, but as friends and partners. Fourth, makers are fearless. They embrace challenges and find solutions. They're not looking for comfort or certainty. Their favorite hobby is problem solving. Fifth, when they face failure, they don't back down. They take ownership, learn from their mistakes, and keep going. They're not afraid of making errors because they know that that's how they'll grow and succeed. So remember, a maker is someone who is full of initiative, creates value for others, builds meaningful relationships, embraces challenges, and learns from their failures. Be a maker, make things happen.